Well, it's the monsoon session beginning this week for the third week now, and the storm which is set to be resonating in the House in just about half an hour from now is on the floods issue as well, which the Congress is set to raise. And BJP will also be raising the Bulandshahr highway gang rape case in the Lok Sabha during 0 hour. Akhilesh government to be targeted by the BJP from the parliament. We have Brijesh who is joining us at this moment to give us lowdown as the key bills are pending, and BJP is looking for a political consensus. The Congress sharpening with the flood fury attack, Brijesh, and the BJP also not playing it on the back foot as they get on the front to counter the SP head of UP polls over the Bulandshahr gang rape.
Well, I think there'll be two set of attacks. First by Congress party on BJP about, the way Dalits have taken out protests yesterday in Ahmedabad and the kind of dissatisfaction which is emerging from various quarters over the way the whole Dalit issue has been held. But apart from that, the big issue which is likely to witness in both houses of the parliament, be it Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, is the gang rape incident which happened in Bulandshahr and which has further reinforced about the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. In Rajya Sabha, BSP Supremo Mayawati and others are likely to raise this issue, whereas in Lok Sabha, the BJP will take Samajwadi Party to task about the deteriorating law and order situation, because Uttar Pradesh goes to poll, and given the kind of situation we witnessed yesterday before yesterday, no party will leave any stone unturned to make score political points, and the BJP will definitely not be found wanting in this.
Absolutely. Also, Brijesh, as we're talking to you, there are massive bills which are pending in the parliament. You have the debt recovery bill to speed up the debt recovery of more than 5 lakh banks and accounts. Also to amend Stamp Act, debt recovery and other key acts is also on the agenda today. GST bill slated for tomorrow, where political consensus is being needed. Right now, the issues to be addressed, as Brijesh pointed out, is Bulandshahr gang rape by the BJP, and also we're getting to know by the BSP. On the agenda as well as we talked about debt recovery bill, and last but not the least, Andhra Pradesh special status and flood fury in the parliament.